friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, No Salesforce. Today we are going to learn about how to make a report as a favorite, how to add report in add favorite. So whenever you logged into Salesforce, you can directly open the reports in one click. Okay, so I want to make the uh, one of opportunity report which I already created in Salesforce. So let's click on this reports. So here you can see all the reports, and I want to make this opportunity report as a favorite. So I want to add this report into the favorite. So for that I will open this report. Then after I click on this add favorite button, and here you can see the pop-up message which you show you was added to your favorites. So okay, when you double click on this star icon, it will get removed from the favorite. So I want to add it, so I have added. Okay, so what will happen when you make this report as a favorite? So I will logged out. Okay, so you will get better understanding. So now I logged in, and now I want to open my report directly. So for that, this favorite will do not support these pages. So I will open the any service cloud is fine. Yeah, here also it will work. Yeah. So here there is the report which we make is favorite. So I will directly open this report in one click by using the favorite link. Okay. So this is the use of add favorite functionality option. Okay. Yeah. That's it. Thank you.